to clean the refrigerator shiny and clean, I'm going to use just paper towel and women stainless steel cleaner and polish. So I'm going to start cleaning the refrigerator by using this women stainless steel. Just put like that. And then I'm going to use paper towel. Just rub it or wipe like that. One stroke. Just like that. Just one stroke. And then you need to wipe twice. Look at the result. It's already shine. It looks like new. Brand new refrigerator. It's very simple. Just do like that. Okay, it's done. See, it's already shine. It's very simple. The same with the same also with the gas range. This one I'm going to use also glass cooktop. The same, just like that. And then use always paper towel to make it shine. Shine. To make it shine. To make it shine. We can dance. Dancing queen. If you love me, Carmelita. Tan taratatan. Maghinlo ganita. Mag-smile ta bisag ikaw ra isa para mawala ang problema. If you love me, Carmelita. Dili ba? Oh, tanawa. Hamis na. So, wala na siya bago. Mga higala. It's easy. Just to use paper towel and glass cooktop. This is, I always use this one, this product. Glass cooktop. Yes. The results are very nice. So, mga higala, to all my friends here in USA, just use paper towel on this one. Look at the result. Okay? Just wipe twice to make sure that it's already shine. Like my face is already shine. Okay. So,